When we think about inspirational people following their dreams, we think about world leaders, astronauts, and even neurosurgeons. But this 55-year-old man who hasn't lost his love for his favorite hobby deserves a lot of recognition too. Please enjoy.
Oh!
Nice.
Did you get it?
I got it, bro.
That's hard for me, dude.
You did it.
Oh, and you got it.
I got it.
That could go on YouTube. As far as I got on that one. It's supposed to go like this. Oh, well, not quite. From here, and then there.
Nice.
You got it?
I'm on it.
Sissy bounce. Finger flip.
Nice. I got it.
First try anyway, was a little sloppy. Backside.
You know, you got like 3 people recording you.
Oh my god. You get it?
Yep.
Oh, I did it all in one thing then. Those two things, pop it up and then just throw it back down.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty simple, but it's not easy to do.
Right.
It's not that dangerous.
Awesome. Ah!
Did I go 180 on the second one?
You did.
Almost. Ah.
Thanks for watching, guys, and give the video a like if you support this old man's dreams. If you come across inspirational videos like this one, send it in at my website, link in the description.